Welcome to Black Vegan Magic. Ever wondered how to make a soulful soup that warms your heart and fills your stomach? A soup that's hearty, healthy, and brimming with flavor. A soup that's practically a hug in a bowl. Well, stick around as we unravel the mystery of the sweet potato soulful soup. To embark on this culinary journey, you'll need a few key players. Our main star tonight is the humble sweet potato, 2 large ones, all peeled and ready to take the plunge. They'll be joined by a cup of carrots, chopped and eager to hop into the pot. Next up, we have 1 onion, diced and not afraid to make you cry, alongside 3 cloves of garlic, minced and ready to spice things up. A teaspoon of ginger, grated and raring to add a kick. 4 cups of vegetable broth, waiting to welcome everyone into its warm embrace. 1 can each of black beans and diced tomatoes, both drained and rinsed, excited to join the party. And finally, a teaspoon each of cumin and smoked paprika, ready to add some drama, with a sprinkle of salt and pepper to taste. Now that we've gathered our cast, it's time to start the show. Scene script, are you ready to witness some magic in the kitchen? Let's begin this culinary journey by sautéing our diced onions in a large pot. Listen to them sizzle, they're like tiny musicians playing the symphony of deliciousness. Now, as our onions turn golden, it's time to add the minced garlic and grated ginger. Watch out, because this trio is about to release an aroma so tantalizing it might just make your neighbors jealous. Next, we're going to introduce our chopped carrots and diced sweet potatoes. They're not just here for their good looks, they'll add a wonderful sweetness to our soup. When they start to soften, that's our cue to pour in the vegetable broth. Ah, the broth, the lifeblood of any good soup. Now let's get spicy. In goes the cumin and smoked paprika. These two are like the Fred Astaire and Ginger Rogers of the spice world, dancing together to create a flavor that's both warm and smoky. But we're not done yet. We'll add our black beans and diced tomatoes next. They're like the surprise guests at our soup party, bringing along a rich texture and a burst of flavor. Finally, we'll season with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, it's your soup, you're the boss. Let it all simmer together, and as the flavors meld, you'll find yourself in soup heaven. And there you have it, a pot full of soulful soup, hearty and filling, just as promised. So there you go, a quick recap for our budding chefs. We started with our hearty sweet potatoes and carrots, sautéed with aromatic onions, garlic and ginger. Then we added the vegetable broth, followed by the black beans and diced tomatoes for that extra depth of flavor. The cumin and smoked paprika were the final touch, giving our soulful soup its signature warmth. Thank you for joining in this culinary adventure. Remember, every pot of soup is a spoonful of comfort. Until next time, happy cooking.